How to change audio language in Disney Plus. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change audio language in your Disney Plus app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Disney Plus app. Then once you're on your Disney Plus app, there are two ways to change audio language. So to change to first method, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here. And then here you will see languages, tap on it. And from here select the language in which you want to watch the content. And then after selecting the language, you will see the content that is available in that selected language. Now to change audio language to second method, play the video you want to watch. Tap on settings, and from here you can select audio language, and from here you can select the language you want. And so this is how you can change audio language in Disney Plus. Thanks for watching.